Alright guys, it's a little rainy, it's a little damp outside, but let me tell you what, my car got check engine light and I'm gonna show you how to save money and not pay a ridiculous mechanic and find out what's wrong with your car. This is not only for Mercedes, this is for any manufacturers out here. So what you do, you get up under here, find your little OBD port, boom. That's what this one is, little flappy door. So up here we got a scan tool. You grab one of these big boys, find the port, make sure you put it in the proper ways. Somewhere here, boom. All right, it's firing up. Start the vehicle, don't start it, but you won't put it on the second position. The problem is I don't have my key. My car said I don't got my key, so I'm gonna go get my key real quick. False facts, I had my key. It's in my pocket. Start it on the second position, boom. Y'all can see my check engine lights on. Whoops. Check engine lights on. Come in here, go to diag, hit the OK button. And then you come over here. This is a Mercedes, so I'm gonna go to my Mercedes thing over here. Boom. Oops, that's the wrong side. Boom. And then you go to Benz again because, you know, life, Benz life. It's checking its files. Don't know what it's checking, but it's doing some of that. Then you go down this list and you find your car. I got the X164 GL. This part's gonna take a minute. Find out which motor you got. I got diesel, gasoline. If you mix it up, that's not good. Don't do any of that. I got left-hand drive because I'm not cool like Chris or Miles, but it's okay. And I got the 450. I ain't got no big monies. And then you go to automatic. It kind of reads all the computers in the vehicle, but it's okay. Meanwhile, this stuff might go crazy up here, but it's okay. Don't know what's exactly wrong with the car, but we'll find out. Now it's telling me to please wait. And the main engine control module is one of these. It's a 6-cylinder and an 8-cylinder. This car has both computers for some magical reason. And if you hit OK, and you read the code, boom, my alternator, because I just had that changed, makes sense. And then here I got the ambient air temp sensor. It is bad. As you can see, it's 185 degrees outside. That will be fixed parts right there. But boom, over here, if you look here, my intake tumble flaps. That is a problem in this car and this motor and also the V6. We're gonna have that fixed shortly, but if you get angrily and don't wanna have that check engine light, this is how you not pay a mechanic, right? You go back a little bit, clear the code, boom, successfully cleared. And guess what? Your check engine light is gonna be gone. It's an accessory, so. Boom, check engine light, gone. Now, put your seatbelt on and you won't have any lights. Now that is a key to life right here, guys. I'm telling you. Now this light will come back on. I'm just saying this is a joke, but you know. Anyways, don't actually clear your code this way. It's not the proper way to do it. Fix your problem, fix your car. Don't neglect your vehicles, guys. However, get yourself a good scan tool. Having a good scan tool is a key to being a good mechanic. Do not cheap out. Do not cheap out on scan tools. They will save your life. Trust me. Quick tip, we'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe around here. Ring some type of bell that Chris is over. It's over on that side over there. And we'll like let you in, come through. Maybe we're not home. Come back, drop some milk off. I don't know. See you next time.